everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, as always. Okay, y'all, so most of you all have seen my 6-year anniversary video, and from that video alone, I got so much feedback in regards to my flawless Flexi-Rod set. So I'm here to show you all just how I achieved that Flexi-Rod set. But before we go any further, it's really important for you all to know exactly what's going on with my hair at this very moment. So what I have done is freshly co-washed my hair, and I went ahead and blew it out a little bit. So that's what I have going on in my hair. So make sure that you stay tuned so that you know exactly what you need to achieve this hairstyle. A wide tooth comb, Flexi-Rods, hair ties or something to separate your hair, and a styling lotion or gel. And today I will be using Shea Moisture's styling lotion. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do first is just go ahead and section my hair off into 4 large sections. So I'm gonna part my hair directly down the middle, going vertically and horizontally. All right, and then from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and section off my hair. Okay, so once you're done parting your hair, you should look just as crazy as I do currently, okay? So you should have 4 large sections in your hair. So really quickly, I have 48 Flexi-Rods, so 48 divided by 4 is 12. If that is not accurate, y'all let me know below because math is not my strong suit. So that means I'm gonna have about 12 in each section of my hair. So we're gonna go ahead. It doesn't matter what section you start with, but I'm gonna start with this side section. And so I'm just gonna begin to, again, divide my hair in half. And you don't have to do this part, but I just do this because it helps me gauge space and numbers. So what I'm gonna do now is just get some of my styling cream. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand, right? Rub that together. And then I'm just gonna begin to stroke my hair, all right? So making sure my hair is completely covered. So once that is completed, let's place the Flexi-Rod up under the root of our hair, like so. And then we're just gonna wrap our hair nicely around the Flexi-Rod, okay? So super simple, nothing crazy. Then you're gonna wrap it all the way to the end. And then this part is really, really important. So making sure that you are wrapping the Flexi-Rod around the root and the end of your hair to secure, and voila. And that's it, ladies, super simple. So all I'm gonna do next is just repeat this all the way throughout my hair. All right, ladies, so we are halfway done, and this is what my hair looks like. All right, so other than that, we are good to go, and I'm just gonna continue these same steps all the way throughout my hair. All right, ladies, so we are done. It is a wrap for tonight. So we made it through. As always, nothing is new. It is now time for us to wrap our hair. All right, so here we go. Yeah, y'all, this is it. So I'm gonna catch y'all on day 2. Goodness. Hello, everybody. It is now day 2, and it is time for us to take down our hair. Y'all, I am tired. Y'all, exhausted. Like, no sense. So all I'm gonna do is grab my Flexi-Rods. I'm going to straighten them out, and then from there, I'm just gonna begin to unravel. Oops, my hair. And voila. All right, so all I'm gonna do from here is just repeat this exact same step throughout the rest of my hair. Y'all look at that. That is so beautiful. So I'm really excited. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. Okay, ladies, we are done. Beautiful, right? Okay, so of course, I'm not gonna keep my grandma curls in, but I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair. But y'all, if you wanted to keep yours like this, you know, be all you can be, but I'm definitely going for a bigger look. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and begin to separate my hair, so stay tuned. So I'm just gonna go through and pick where my hair is naturally separating, and then I'm just gonna pull it, okay? See, now natural separation. I'm just gonna pull. Now what you don't want to do right here is force anything. And voila. Look here, ladies, we are done. Oh my God, I am ecstatic about how my hair came out. Now, mind you, this does look a lot better than what it did before I separated my hair. If this is not big enough for you, feel free to pick and separate some more. But we all know that as time goes by and as we live our life, our hair is gonna shrink, it's gonna puff, it's gonna come alive. So I'm not gonna do that, but y'all, I'm so proud. This was by far way more successful than my perm rod attempts. I think that if I ever do curl my hair again, I will definitely use Flexi-Rod. Like I said, I'm elated. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial just as much as I have enjoyed doing it and the results that I now possess, okay? Y'all, look at this. So here's the side of my hair, all right? The top, the front, the other side, all right? And then again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye.